blaze the fire, the righteous fire. And with that, let's get right into it. And today we'll take a listen to a returning resident from Canada. And she now have the regular everyday story where people tell you about the glamour and the glitters of America or Canada or UK. She's actually telling us that the grass not really green up on the other side. You know, I won't go into our details too much. But she make you know, say, while we are fighting to go over there, the richer folks over there are fighting for a piece of land or property in the Caribbean, because that's their dream while we are dreaming of their side. So, you know, that's why I'm used to the whole saying, the grass is green on the other side, because it look like in our vision and their vision that are gone. But take a listen, people.
I am not going to speak for anybody else. I'm going to speak for me. Personally, there's nothing in Canada to miss. When we were growing up, we were cultured that foreign is greener pasture, and America, Canada and England are greener pastures, and everybody wanting to go. And that is one of the biggest lie that could ever endow on the Caribbean people. Caribbean people rich in love, in help, in kindness, in being your brother's keeper. That is not in first world country. What happened is that they trick us, tell us to go to America to work because of green pasture. And they build up these expensive houses and charge us 250,000 Jamaican dollars, which is 2,000 odd Canadian dollars for rent. And then we have to pay those big rents, and those persons move to the Caribbean, buy houses at the waterfront, and have us maintaining their lifestyle. So they come to the Caribbean, they open up businesses, they buy out the hotels, and all of them are in the Caribbean running wholesales, running hotels, running restaurants, whilst we are the slaves in their country to help them to make their dream come true. Going to Canada was one of the biggest mistakes that I could have ever made. It not only damaged my physical health, but I was very close to getting mental health. I am not talking about anybody else. I am talking about me. The best place to live is Jamaica, is the Caribbean, is to identify with your people, is to speak the same language. If you want little water, you get little water. You can get piece of breadfruit, you can get 2 tomatoes. If you're sick, you can call your neighbor. There's nobody in Canada to help you. The only thing that Canada have is snow, taxes, and high rent. And silent racism. So no, to answer your question, I forgot to not answer your question. No, I don't miss Canada because there's nothing in Canada to miss. Going to Canada was one of the biggest mistakes that I have ever made, and it cost me my health.
Yeah, man. And I don't have no much for that because she taught the truth. People who I know who live in America, them not living a better life. Well, they might be living a quote-unquote better life, depending on what they call better life. You know, you give up fresh air and nice living and decent people for more money. You have better care and a better house, quote-unquote. But yeah, man, there's a give and take for everything, you know? A yin and a yang for everything. A yin and a yang, not a yang. But yeah, man, respect people. Let me know what your thoughts are, you know? Who think, you know, she talking truth, who enjoy them migration to whichever place they are. Yeah, man, let me know if I foolish shit talk, me and she. Bless up, people. Thanks for being here. It's a short one today. One love.